In the glittering world of Monaco, opulence isn't a luxury, it's a way of life. From the sparkling Mediterranean waters to the high-stakes glamour of its casinos, this sovereign city-state is a playground for the world's elite. A place where the rich and famous come to play, and every street corner echoes with the allure of luxury. Monaco didn't always shine so bright. It was once just a small city-state, nestled on the breathtaking French Riviera. Over the span of the last 2 centuries, however, Monaco transformed its image from a humble city-state to a dazzling diamond on the Mediterranean coastline. Covering an area of just about 2 square kilometers, Monaco may be one of the world's smallest countries, but its reputation is gigantic. With a population of approximately 37,000 people, it's a kaleidoscope of culture and opulence, where every inch is meticulously designed to impress. At the heart of Monaco lies Monte Carlo, one of its 4 traditional districts alongside Le Condamine, Monaco Ville, and Fontvieille. Monte Carlo is the epitome of the Monegasque lifestyle, a place where luxury cars are as common as the glitz and glamour of its world-renowned casinos. Yet Monaco is more than just a luxurious haven. It's a constitutional monarchy, a state where the political power resides in an established law. At the helm is the Prince of Monaco, a role currently held by Prince Albert II. He succeeded his father, Prince Rainier III, and continues to uphold the prestige and allure of this glamorous city-state. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a symbol of luxury, Monaco's evolution is a tale of transformation. A narrative of how a small city-state on the French Riviera morphed into a playground for the world's wealthiest, a destination that's synonymous with glamour, luxury, and an unrivaled lifestyle. This video journeyed through the heart of Monaco, exploring its rich history, its beautiful districts, and its unique political structure. It painted a picture of a city-state where opulence is not just seen, but experienced. A place where the glamour is not just for the rich and famous, but for anyone who steps onto its luxurious soil. So here's to Monaco, a tiny country with a gigantic personality. A place that continues to dazzle the world with its luxurious lifestyle, and a destination that truly embodies the phrase, "Good things come in small packages."